What kind of vegan are you anyway?
Alright, hit it.
Vegans and their labels. When's it gonna end? Are you a vegan or are you a vegan? That's a vegan that eats honey. Go figure. Or maybe you're a freegan. That's one of those vegans that jumps into dumpsters, and if they find meat or dairy products, they'll eat them because they were free.
Free, it will be the end of all of us! No!
Or maybe you're mostly vegan. You're one of those vegans who every so often will enjoy a chocolate bar or something with a little bit of cheese on it.
Oh, no. No.
Those aren't vegans, by the way. Maybe you're a junk food vegan. Well, I'm kind of a junk food vegan. You would definitely think so based on what I've been posting on this channel. Maybe you're an ex-vegan. You're one of those people who suddenly decided you didn't want to be vegan anymore. Well, you were never really vegan in the first place now, were you?
Our survey said...
So up until recently, I thought I was an ethical vegan. Vegan for the animals. I don't eat meat, dairy, eggs, or honey at all. I don't wear leather, wool, or silk at all. I buy only cruelty-free products for my home. And I'm 100% in it for the animals. I work for an animal rights group. I thought I was an ethical vegan until I ate the Impossible Burger. Suddenly, people are calling me a strict vegetarian, or I've eaten an Oreo cookie. You're not vegan anymore. What am I?
Who am I?
I have no idea anymore. What kind of vegan are you?